all of us, if we hear 5,000 or cash prize, will we go for it? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, diba? So, just to inspire us, how many worth of products in terms of amount yung na-sell nyo within that? You can share, okay?
So for me, I was able to sell almost 43,000 pesos worth of products. So
How many days? How many days?
oh, so we sold for 3 days in total. So that was the amount that I was able to sell, and from that I got 80% commission, which was almost 14K.
Okay, so like what Ari said, we sold products, and a lot of my friends were still competitive like her. And the thing that I struggled most was finding a target market. Because you see, like what Ari said, her target market was our batchmates. Because she can't sell it to her family then. Because they're all looking for everything. So she sold it to her batchmates. So during the time when we were given a task to sell, I was finding a target market. Well, alam ko naman is me selling it to my batchmates will be something really hard since I would have a competitor. So what I did was I sold it to my family, which is something good because I'm a Muslim and all of the products here in Forever Living are halal certified, which is something that I can offer to them. It's easy to offer to them. So that's what I did. I sold them to my parents, my family, and I kind of only know small portions of my family since I noticed that during the time when I was selling, I actually have a big family. I have a lot of relatives. And I think that was the time I had to be honest with myself that this is the time this was the time that I can get closer to my family. So I was advertising to them. I asked my dad, I need more customers. I need to know who are my relatives and stuff. So he gave me some lists. And I remember that he introduced me to a TikTok. He gave me his name. And I texted him. And of course, when I was gonna advertise it, I had to make kamusta. Kasi it's kind of unmotivated naman if I would advertise it there, right? And they're my family. So I made kamusta and we had a chit chat, and I wasn't expecting that he would know me because I thought I didn't know him. But when he texted me, I got so shocked because he told me that he said that, oh, hi Zach, ang laki mo na, kamusta ka dyan? Miss na kita. Balik ka dito sa province ha. And I got shocked by that message because he knows me pala. And I kind of got emotional since I didn't know him that much. I didn't know him at all. That was our first communication, I think. That's what I thought. Pero he during the chat, he told me that he was taking care of me when I was in the province. So I'm really looking forward to see him when I come back to that province because I had a small talk with him when I was advertising. So when we had our chat, I had to pull up the card then. I had to pull up the card to advertise the product. So when I was advertising it to my tito, my tita, they all were laughed at first because they still see me as a baby. And now I'm advertising to them. Well, which is funny then. Pero they bought from me naman. And which is a good thing. Well, me selling it to my family too is something, me selling it to my family was something that I really like because I got closer to my family. And the way I advertise them is to know the product then. Because basically what I'm saying is the products that I was selling to them is the things that I think it can benefit them. Like what I can apply to myself. Like, let's say, who here eats fast foods? I eat fast foods, right? You guys can see that. So, diba, in fast foods, we eat fries, we eat nuggets, burger, chicken, pizza. We eat those stuff. And actually causes chemicals in our body. Well, you see, that's why aloe vera was invented. Drink, there's a word drink is invented. It cleanses the chemicals in our body so that you would have a good, wow, it will be healthy. It helps your gut. So that's how advertising them. Me knowing the product and me telling them the benefits. Because I want them to benefit. I want them to be healthy because I love them. They're my family. So that's what I did. I sold it to them and yeah, basically that's how I sold it. And the selling price I got, the selling sales I got was in 60K. And I think I got like 16,000, 30%, like 16,000. And I won 5,000 pesos then because I had no selling.